Long time no see guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how can you change any image color tone in just few steps. First, drag your image in Photoshop, make a copy layer of your image, then click on adjustment layer icon and choose solid color layer. Now you can select any color whatever you want, but I really like blue color, so I will select blue. Change the blending mode of this solid color layer from normal to color dodge. Now decrease the fill, not opacity guys. I think 55% is good for this image. Now click again on adjustment layer icon and select levels. Decrease the slider from left to right. This will make the brighter part of your image darker. Now create a layer mask of this layer and invert it by pressing Ctrl+I if you are using Windows or Command I if you are using Mac. Take the brush, make sure the foreground color is white and paint on that area where you wanna add levels effect. Now you can also change the exposure of your image if you want. Isn't that amazing guys? Now here's another example. We will apply same filters on this. You can also add color lookup if you want. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you're facing any problem, then do let me know in comment section. Have a great day.